I found these light-up icicle ornaments at the Dollar Tree and immediately knew I had to make a winter crown with them. I used an old DIY crown as a base. It's simply a headband with 5 seashells hot glued on. First, you want to cut off the ornament hangers. Add hot glue to the base of each ornament and space them evenly across the headband between the shells. I like this headband with holes in it because it made spacing a breeze. These packs of snowflakes came in 3 different sizes, so I grabbed one of each. I arranged the snowflakes on the back of the crown into the design I liked and then removed the hangers so they'd be ready to glue. I started with one large snowflake, hot gluing it to the center seashell only. I glued the medium snowflake to the next seashell over and then added a drop of hot glue in a discrete area where both snowflakes overlapped. Then I took the smallest snowflake and glued it to the end seashell and again added a small drop of glue where it overlapped with the medium snowflake. Repeat this process on the other side. Be sure you do not glue any snowflakes to the icicles, as you will have to twist them on and off to light. To make it light up, gently hold the base of the icicle and the headband together, then twist off the top. Add the batteries that were included and twist back on tight to light. And there you have it, a beautiful light-up Snow Queen crown. Follow and subscribe for more crafts Mermaid by Jules.